Hey, welcome to the workshop. I'm glad you could pop by, if you can actually see me. Well, welcome to Cow Country. This is a great place for machines that are sick to come and become well again, as hundreds, if not thousands of people could attest. So I hope you'll make the decision to contact me and to see how I can help you with your machine needs. It could either be an Elna like this from Switzerland, or a Pfaff, or a Singer, or you name it. I've touched them, and I've got healing hands, so I'd love to bring that healing to your machine. And if your machine is even running well, I can make it run perfectly and at a level that you've never seen it run before. So give me a call, or send me an email, or send me a note through Messenger, or a smoke signal, whatever works for you. I'm waiting for it, and I'm looking forward to helping. All right, I'm getting back to work right now. Thanks.